Hello everyone out there, you're welcome. This is Kingsley once again from KingspetDesigns. If you're just joining me for the first time, please hit on the red button to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new videos.
Okay, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I came up with this line blending kind of effect. You can see having these particular lines, they are having multicolor in them. It looks as if it's a one line. You can see you have one example here of a straight line, and this is like a form of a curve. You can see it has multicolors in them, so I'll be showing you how to create this kind of effect in CorelDraw. This is just a very easy approach you can actually apply to any of your design and play along with your color shades. So without waste of time, let's just get through the tutorial straight. Okay, first thing you're going to do now is to just we're going to be picking our make use of freehand tool. For this tutorial I'm going to make use of freehand tool, so I'm going going to draw some lines. Just try to draw and trying to draw something. I think this should be okay, or let me see if I can get a better. I think I prefer the second one, so just do away with this. You can also try that same effect to possibly a straight line. Let's say a straight line, so I'm going to be applying those two effects to the two lines. So now I'm going to do this, keep this aside, and do this also. Now I'm going to pick Eclipse tool. So now I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to make it as tiny as I want, because I don't need this line to be too thick, so I'm going to make it a bit tinier. So I'm going to reduce the size a little. Then let me give it something like a red color or a yellow color, anyone. Now I'm going to take off the lines, then reduce the zoom, duplicate it. Now I'm actually duplicating. There's one here and there's one here. So now I'm going to let me make this a red so that it blends from this to this. So now I'm going to pick my blend tool. Ensure you pick blend tool. Pick the blend tool, then blend from here to the red. You're going to see something like this, the blending. Now you're going to come to this side where we have 20 on this side. That's your blend object. You are going to insert 999. Why I said you should insert 999 is because if you insert any number greater than this, it will still fall back to the 999. So it's better we just stick to the 999. For example, if I should enter, let me say 2000, if you should do enter, you see that it falls back to 999. So that's why I said you should use 999. Okay, now you see that instead of initially I was having it like this, after inserting the numbers, it's increased and filled up this particular section. It now looks as if it's a straight blending line. So now I'm going to do something here. You can see on this work now, the tinier you make this, the tinier it is going to be. So now once I do this, now I'm going to come to where we have start doing this. I'm going to come to this place, part properties, new part. So I'm going to now click on this part. You can see I have this now. I'm going to Ctrl Z because I want to duplicate this into two. Okay, now come to part properties, new part. It comes here. You now come to this place. You come to this side where you have this. You now click on blend along full part. Once you click on blend along full part, you can see since it was a straight part, it actually blend through the full part. So now you can see that when you now click on any of these, it changes the colors of the parts. you can see it changes. So you can see it now looks as if it is one plain line we are using. So now if I should make this totally red and do the same thing, is to change the color. If I make it click, it's going to still change. So you can see how I've been able to do this for this particular one. Same thing you can also do to the second one. Let me just do it fast. New part to this, then ensure blend along full part, then let's do something like this. You can now see we have been, let me change the background so that you see. Let me give it a dark shade of background, so you can now see how we've been able to achieve this. So it now looks as if, so you can actually use this in case you're doing something like a color plane in your distance. So you can actually use all these things in your graphics. So I hope you've actually learned from this particular tutorial. You can watch other of my videos. I'll be still using this same kind of effect to do some text like kind of designs. So in case you have any difficulty, you have any video idea you want me to show you, you can actually drop on the in case you have any video you want me to do for you, or any difficult parts of any of this my tutorial you want me to undo, you can actually comment, drop it at the comment box below, and ensure you share and like this video so as to encourage me to create more content. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video. Until next time, bye for now.